Hi, welcome back to Legion Abandoned Explores. This week you'll find myself and Lee at a place called Spring View in Wigan. We're here to see and walk along Spring View sidings, which were the old sidings, right alongside the actual railway which is now, and you will see and hear some trains on our way. And we've come to see there's still a couple of little bits. There's a little bridge, or the remnants of a bridge that we find near the beginning of the video, and then along the way we'll also find a little building, a little shed if you like, with lots of springs around on the floor, so lots of old parts from the railway. We also see some sleepers, and then, as you'll have seen on the thumbnail, we find a World War II bunker, which is really good. We went, it was quite cold, it was -7 degrees, it was at night time, it had been snowing, and it was probably the best time to go, as all the foliage, all the brambles were at the lowest point. It wasn't muddy or slippy because it was all snow. It was nice and crisp, so it really cleared our lungs that night, and this is what we do to bring you these videos. So come along with us, come and see the old railway building, a remnant of an old bridge. See this as we walk along the sidings and the World War II bunker. So please enjoy. Something there, what's that over there, Luke?
I'm awesome, mate.
Come up to that there.
Should we have a look? Is that a train?
Yeah, you can hear the train now, can't you?
That path goes that way still.
Ah, right, so that's going that way.
Yeah. See, people have walked this way, mate.
Ah, right, yeah, got ya.
Oh, okay. Try to trace on them.
Yeah. Very good.
Right. Down there.
Oh.
Because there's still tracks here, you see.
Yeah, doesn't he?
Yeah. There's all these brambles here.
There's people been there though, haven't there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa! Did you hear that?
I did, mate. I don't think we're going to go through that, you know, mate.
No. No.
It's not that way, is it?
No. That was mad, that sparking off that.
Yeah.
I don't know whether I caught that or not.
Yeah.
Someone's walked here though, haven't they?
Yeah. He's definitely been through here. You don't know what that is?
Yeah.
Some kind of wall.
That looks like an old TV, that doesn't it?
Very old, mate.
Oh wow, it is as well, look.
That is old, mate.
Oh. Oh, there's old, isn't it?
Yeah.
What are all the rocks?
I don't know what that's for.
They old sleepers.
They look like it. Yeah, them ones there, see them?
Yeah.
Definitely sleepers,
It's not far past here, is it?
No, it wasn't.
You alright, mate?
Yeah. Slipping and frigging sliding.
Hello. There.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
How do we get to it though?
There it is.
How do we get down there though, Lee? Like, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you think? Or are we further round? Is it easier?
I'd say here, mate. It's a bit flatter.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, snow down the back of my neck again.
Oh, bloody hell.
Where's that thing now?
Just keep still, mate. Get half a tree stuck to your head.
Where's the other thing? Is it over there?
It's over that way somewhere, I think.
Oh, the path.
Oh, right, okay.
There.
Around it, I think.
Yeah, it's an actual path, mate.
Yeah.
We're down here, won't it?
Down that way, yeah.
Yeah, to come round the other side of there.
Yeah. Is this going to the building?
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
What's that, mate?
Yeah, that was it.
Yeah, the building's really.
Oh, right, okay, yeah.
Yay. I just have visions of me stepping over that and going,
Yeah, don't worry about
it'll go this. Springs everywhere, mate.
Yeah.
Well. So this is from the railway.
Yes. What's up there? Some kind of light switch.
Oh, track feed resistor.
Right.
Oh wow.
Let me take a picture of that, mate.
Picture that, Lee.
I'm going to take my gloves off because it's bloody freezing.
It's cold, isn't it?
Yeah.
It just goes into a little room. Various pipes. Wow. Good, isn't it? Surprised something like that's still here though. After all that time. Do you know what I mean? Pretty good there. Really good.
Can you take one of the outside of it, mate?
Yeah. You get a good one here, Lee. Here comes Lee now. I will get the history for this. I'll grab the history for this
You
one.
ordered that torch, mate?
Of course I will, mate.
Lovely.
How's that?
Oh wow. Brilliant.
Good that, isn't it?
That was good, mate.
Real good. Now, I'll get.
So is this like a station house then?
Oh God, it's to do with the sidings. They were all sidings, weren't they?
Right. Okay. I get you.
Let's watch your head, Lee.
Yeah.
That's a.
Sleeper, that.
That's a substantial.
Bit of
It's
wood,
not a
that.
tree.
No, it's certainly not a tree.
Do you reckon?
We come that
If he
way.
sees that from a distance, shine your torch round. Yeah, that's what he sees, isn't
Yeah.
it? From over this way.
Okay, that way. Follow that path.
Up here.
Yeah, I have to.
Can you still see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably about right,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Got the ear.
Round there.
There, mate. Right in front of you. There. Let me get a picture.
Wow. Well, that Lee.
Wow. You doing the honest again,
Well,
mate?
to shelter. That alright?
Yeah, perfect. Do you know, I'm going to go up a little bit more.
Go on, mate.
Perfect. Perfect.
Now, to see.
Yes.
No, it's not.
No.
It goes along with it. You grab that, Lee, let me see. Because it doesn't look too great getting in, does it?
You're on the outside of it, or what?
I was thinking that. There's some of they're the archways that have fell, aren't they?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you want to grab that, please?
Yeah, go on.
I'll see.
It's the step.
Do you know what you can do with it?
Yeah.
There's still some rebar there.
All right. Okay. Yeah. But put your foot in that gap there, mate, onto that other piece of concrete. Hold on that other side, though. If you can grab that side.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, put your foot in the middle.
Like that?
Yeah, that's it, mate. Then just shimmy your way through.
Right, okay. Do you reckon?
Yeah, go. It's just getting old or something, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're alright there, yeah?
It's quite big, you know.
Can I pass you then, mate?
Yeah. Okay. Just let me check it's not flooded out, like.
Yeah, go on, mate.
Oh, no.
No, we're alright.
Yeah, Sam, mate, so you alright there?
Just
Grab the rebar, mate. Here we go into that little bit. Put your hand up here on this one.
alright, I'm there.
You alright?
Yep.
Go on.
I've got it, mate, time, lovely.
Sorted?
Lovely.
Wait till you see this, mate.
Get the camera out. Oh, there's another piece of it there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Goes on a bit, doesn't it?
Certainly does. Look at the hook on the roof.
Yeah. It's brilliant, that. That was a hatch, look.
Yeah.
Hatch down, no ladder though.
No, nothing.
No remnant of one handily.
No, nothing there, is there?
No.
We're going for it.
Yeah. Wow. Means no one's been in here for a couple of years, mate.
No, definitely not. I
think it'll only go to the end, yeah?
Yeah.
Hopefully there's no bears hiding out.
Yeah.
Straight?
Yeah.
Well, you know what they say, like, risk it for the biscuit.
Definitely, mate. 100%.
Yeah, when it comes to the end.
Is that it, is it?
Yeah. This is the open hatch there, mate.
We're going to just take a picture of that lamp.
It's all the springs again.
Yeah. Strange.
Nothing in here though, is there? There's nothing.
No.
I think there was any lights. There's no signs of any light or anything, is there?
No, nothing. I can see the boom.
Strange, isn't it?
Falling snails. Yeah, it's just a
Moving
weird
on
one.
snails, eh?
Yes. Oh, he's stood its toll, hasn't he, mate?
It certainly has. It's still here, isn't it, mate?
Exactly.
Do you know what I mean? Well built.
Oh, aye. The biggest one I've been into.
Yeah, same, mate, same. And it's, you know, for all intents and purposes, it's still quite intact, isn't it?
Exactly.
Yeah, the rebar inside the concrete's starting to rust away, but
Yeah.
you know, we are talking what, built in the 40s.
Yeah.
It's like early 40s when they were built, weren't they?
Yes, exactly right.
Some of them were during the war, weren't they?
Yeah.
Concrete floor as well, still intact. There's Lee,
Yes, mate.
a rail or something.
Is that a
Yeah.
wooden rail?
I think it is a wooden one. So what? People just be stood down here?
I wouldn't like to tell you.
It was railway siding, so it's been for
Yeah.
the railway workers.
Yeah, definitely. They come out-
There's some strange looking creatures down here, mate.
Certainly,
Look
yeah.
at that moth there. Ooh.
Wow.
It's good though, isn't it?
Yeah, brilliant.
Springs, isn't it?
Perfect, yeah.
They must have been to do with the railway.
There's some kind of light.
Oh yeah. Kind of light fitting, do you think?
Yeah. Was that what was on that hook? you seen a hook there?
Possibly, you know.
There's a sleeper there. That's an old sleeper, isn't it?
Some old Foster's cans.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a hook, mate.
There's a remnants of an old thing, isn't it? Oh, look at that, Lee.
Yeah.
And that's got to be a relic.
I would have thought so. There's another thing
And
to that.
That's a substantial piece of wood, that,
It
mate.
is, isn't it? Right, mate, if I can order that for you again,
Yeah.
do you want to...
Yeah.
I won't film you, mate.
Just some light.
Sorry, mate. I'm looking down the tunnel.
Are you watching the wind getting up here, Lee? That's
Yeah.
quite easy.
No worries. Is it better getting up than it was down?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Just this last bit, I think. It's going to be a bit hairy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not too bad though, mate.
Yeah. I push you up, mate. So
Yeah.
I'm not like Tammy. So hold on to that.
Yeah. And get yourself in that bit. And then, yeah.
Lovely. Oh, that was loads easier.
It's alright, wasn't it?
Yeah. Right,
Cool, that is. I love that.
brilliant, that is, isn't it?
So well made.
Yeah. I'm going to get a picture of the actual little front part.
So well hidden.
Brilliant. Worth the trek.
Definitely. Should we go and see if we can find the hatch
Yeah, we're going
over
to have a
there?
look. Yeah,
and,
we're
then
gonna
we'll,
have
and then we'll make tracks.
a look. Literally.
Hey! Up here then? Yeah.
Yeah.
Should we go along? And then that's a path, isn't it? Oh, good that, mate.
Brilliant.
Oh, there's. Oh, what's that bit?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
Oh,
That's
yes.
something there, look.
They're sleepers, aren't they?
In line with that entrance.
Yeah.
You'd have to be quite careful, really, wouldn't you? That. Just know if you were up on here,
Oh, God, aye.
you didn't fall down the hole.
Yeah,
Do you know what I mean?
definitely, mate.
Reminds me of something you'd find in a lassie.
Yes, definitely.
Someone falls down the hole and the dog goes to get some help.
Yeah.
So by my reckoning, mate, it should just be up here.
You alright?
Yeah, it's just bramble.
Right.
Yeah. Spot on, mate, just here.
Oh, it's cool.
You can go round there, that's the way it looks like.
I'll let you go around there because I'm sliding back down here.
You grab that.
Yeah.
And use that to hold on to, mate. Just watch when you come down, quite soft.
There's a hat.
Yeah, there you go. Slow train there, mate. You like some of that food? Freight train. About a mile long.
Yeah.
I think we can get back to where we need to be.
Yeah, through that way, can't we?
You alright?
Yeah, totally, mate.
So this way?
Yeah.
I think we can get down here. I'm not sure. Oh no, it's not long though. Shine your torch over here, do you think that's...
The way in.
That doesn't look good, does it?
Explore that train, go to Tesco's on it.
Yeah, it's a freight train, innit?
Yeah.
About a mile long.
Yeah.
I'll have a look here, mate.
No worries. I'll let you go first then.
Yeah, I'll let you know. Lee? I didn't know there was one on that side. Yeah, I think.
Alright.
I think. Yeah, we're alright, mate, yeah. You okay?
Yeah, sorry mate, sorry.
Oh, down my neck again, mate. Yeah. Just watch these.
Yeah, go on, I'll let you go first and then I'll grab hold of them.
Just they'll come back on you.
Yeah, go on mate, down, go, you alright? Lovely.
Brilliant, eh?
Smashing mate,
That was a successful mission.
Yeah, it certainly was. Little trek,
Yeah,
but not too bad.
no. It's a nice little,
Yeah, get in the middle mate.
a nice little weekend.
Stroll.
Yeah, nice little stroll.
Yeah.
A nice little railway relic.
Yeah.
And a World War II bunker.
And it's cleared the lungs a bit as well.
Certainly has, Lee.
Yeah.
That was a sudden stop, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh.